Doctor warns of health reasons you should clean your belly button daily. Good hygiene is vital when it comes to preventing odors that could come from sweating and the buildup of dirt on the skin. This can be even more important in the summer as temperatures rise and many of us spend more time outdoors. However, there is one area of the body that you could be neglecting when washing. A doctor has stressed the importance of cleaning your belly button every day, warning that it could become stinky and even lead to infections. In a TikTok video, NHS surgical doctor Dr. Karen Rajan warned viewers of the consequences, explaining it could lead to an accessory that you don't want. He said, "Be honest now, when was the last time you properly cleaned your belly button? I mean a dedicated belly button scrub. Because of the shape of the navel, things like hair, oil, dirt, skin cells, and fabric can collect in here and form natural jewelry, aka belly button stone. This is an accessory you do not want. These are stinky and can cause infections." In a separate video about belly buttons, Dr. Karen said that the bacteria found in the belly button can be used to make cheese. According to the Cleveland Clinic, it is possible to get a yeast infection in the belly button. The most common symptom of a belly button yeast infection is a bright red rash in the skin folds of your nape, the clinic explains. The rash is typically extremely itchy. It may burn. You may also see scaling, swelling, or a white discharge. The yeast that causes the infection thrives in warm, damp conditions. Infection can be the result of wearing tight clothing, not changing clothing often, humid and hot weather, poor hygiene, skin conditions such as intertrigo and psoriasis. How to look after your belly button. Dr. Karen recommended washing the belly button at least once a day with soap and water. You could do this gently with a cotton bud, he said. To prevent a yeast infection, the Cleveland Clinic adds, you may be able to prevent belly button yeast infections by keeping your navel area clean and dry. Losing weight may help prevent the overgrowth of yeast in your navel region. If you have diabetes, be sure to maintain proper blood sugar control. If you think you have an infection, you could speak to a pharmacist about antifungal creams available.